Hey there, everyone. Today, we are diving into a topic that might just change the way you think about your diet. Could eating less protein actually make you live longer? It's a mind-bending idea, but a new review of over 350 studies suggests that it's not just a crazy theory. So, let's explore this further and see what it means for our health and longevity. First things first, let's talk about protein. We've all heard that protein is essential for muscle growth and exercise response, and it's true that it plays a crucial role in our bodies. But, as Dudley Lemming, the paper's corresponding author, points out, most people are consuming more protein than they actually need. And that's where things get interesting. The review, published in the Cell Press journal Cell Press Blue, found that reducing protein intake can have some pretty significant benefits. It can improve metabolism, alter the way cells react to nutrients, limit cellular damage, and help cells maintain normal function. In other words, it can potentially slow down the aging process. Now, you might be thinking, but what about the benefits of protein? Well, it's not all one-sided. Higher protein intake can support weight loss and help older adults preserve muscle, especially when combined with exercise. And that's why the updated U.S. dietary guidance calls for daily protein consumption of 1.2 to 1.6 grams per kilogram of body weight, nearly twice the previous amount. But here's the catch: protein needs vary from person to person. Pregnant women and certain older adults, for example, may have higher nutritional needs. And for many sedentary adults, protein-fortified foods may not offer the health advantages they expect. In fact, Lemming suspects that regular physical activity may offer protection by directing protein toward the development and maintenance of strong, healthy muscle. One of the key factors in this review is fibroblast growth factor 21, FGF21, a hormone that increases when protein intake falls. FGF21 can raise energy expenditure, improve blood sugar regulation, and reduce inflammation. And get this, mouse studies have shown that animals with elevated levels of FGF21 live longer than typical mice. The effect was stronger in male mice than in female mice. Now, let's talk about amino acids. The review also focuses on several amino acids, which are the individual building blocks of protein. Methionine, isoleucine, and valine appear to play especially important roles. Research suggests that excessive intake of these amino acids may activate biological pathways that encourage growth. When those pathways remain highly active, they may increase the risk of obesity, inflammation, and other conditions associated with aging. So, what does all this mean for us? Well, it's clear that protein restriction can have some pretty significant benefits, especially for sedentary adults. But it's also important to remember that protein needs vary from person to person. And that's where things get really interesting. In my opinion, this review raises a deeper question: are we really getting the most out of our protein intake? And what does it mean for our health and longevity? Personally, I think it's a fascinating topic that deserves more attention. And I can't wait to see what future research has to say about it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, stay curious.